Hoo 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 hoo. So sad. No mic at Google Meet. Ben, lucky you. I'm here to teach you. Hooray! How to fix Gmeet mic problem. First step, go to Google and search how to fix mic problem in Gmeet and then follow it. That's all. Thank you for watching. Just kidding. Haha. Haha. Ha 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 ha. Kidding aside, I fix mine by pulling out all the cords that are connected to my laptop and then put them back again. After that I plug in my earphone with mic again, then open up a Gmeet room and try it again, and it works. And I can't find that advice anywhere in the internet, so that's why I'm sharing this thing to all of you. Hopefully, it helps some of you watching this right now, because if not, I'm gonna cry and lie in my bed forever in. I'm never gonna give you up and never gonna let you down or desert you. Thank you for watching. I love you. Hopefully, you'll love me too, with a great big hug and a kiss from me to you. You should say you love me too.